Cristiano Ronaldo finally comes to the party. Ixhego labantu madoda lide lafika kwindebe yehlabathi. Ndizawuthi lixhego ndive kakuhle. Andithethi ngoba he's washed okanye uphelile emdlalweni webhola, kodwa ndithetha nge-experience. Improved experience yakhe kwela gulu lokuqala. Kwenze kuwelewele kwicabanga lasekunene akayazi uba makaguquka okanye athini. Uzama ubetha indoda, uyaguquka wena nanguja ukhansele sizebeke phansi, umbekele ibhola espacini wehlangalela cabanga. Xa ufika ekoneni uyafika uyayigoba. Kodwa phambi kokuba abeka into yayigoba la bhola ebhoksini kwenze kuwelewele. Abayazi bayizawuza enhloko okanye bazayifumana eqathini. uRonaldo, due to his experience, he moves around the box. He knows where he should be and at what time. And nangoku uthe xa igoba la bhola ukhansele waba umntana msefika naye wayidibanisa nenet, doesn't deserve to be called a tap in, a top goal by far. And then Ronaldo namhlanje expresses selflessness. He shows why he's playing for Portugal rather than playing for himself. That free kick, Nuno Mendes, everyone is expecting Cristiano Ronaldo to take the free kick and score. You could see people had their phones out and not even the is a free kick. But no, Nuno Mendes goes. Tina Sitzingba bola is gonna run over it, but no, he takes the shot and Portugal scores. That goal, ila on goal. No, that goal actually Ronaldo. Through pass man, the suka Bruno Fernandes. La polisando lelo ngoku. Immediately kusanda guquka uRonaldo knows bafuneka beke phansi ngenene wasuka guquka pha ufumana ibhola uBruno Fernandes irun nje encinci 1-2 bayibeke eplate top finish far post ukhiphe bengasoze fike nobe befuna mna ke ngoku ndizawutsiba ke ngoku ndithini ndiye kwenye opportunity. uRonaldo has this thing that was talked about as analysts a few days ago that uyathanda uba offside and asuba offside kube ngaziboni bu offside, but i-defenders kuzaba nzima bamazimakhe because he's distracting la high line as a defenders. There was an opportunity where he almost scored his third goal. I think it was in the dying minutes of the first half where he chipped that ball over the goalkeeper and was cleared off. He was offside, but he's not offside. And then we ndiva na ngokukwehliwa ngayo la right, but I think that was João Cancelo. João Cancelo uyamlinda adlule kuye. So if Cancelo is in front of him when he crosses the ball, there's no way that Ronaldo is offside, and he has mastered that. Again, experience that afuneka ucace ba umdala ebantwaneni. Could have scored a couple of more goals. There was also another top save that was made by the goalkeeper, but it couldn't happen for him to get the hat-trick. Yes, this video is all about him because everyone has been crying uba uzawutafike nini, ifans zakhe ziyakhupha, uMessi bayapheka, uMbappe bayapheka, uHaaland bayapheka. Udafike nini lo Cristiano Ronaldo? Bantu makaya, Cristiano Ronaldo ude wafika kwindebe yehlabathi. Portugal izawudlala umdlalo wayo wokugqibela ngethemba loba noko he can get on the scoreboard again. Naye azama increase the goal tally because every star is showing up. Wena Haaland, wena Mbappe, wena Messi, ndithi ndibala ntoni na. So he had to show up as well, and that was the performance that you got from him. Oh, bengafuna uyifaka le nto apha kodwa Neymar mntanam ubuyile bhuti. Usuka kwi-injury ngomsi Brazil idlala igame yokugqibela kwi-group stages against Scotland. Oyini yo i-coach yami yamanyani ke mna ke liya, kodwa ke uRonaldo has finally come to the party. Celebration for the fans zakhe, unsuccessful hate watch for him. Yes.